Alright, so right here it says the difference. What does difference mean? Subtract. So I'm going to write a subtract sign somewhere. Alright, so the difference between the product, what does product mean? Multiply, so I'm going to put a little multiply sign right here. So what goes around product? Product of 4 and a number squared. So what goes around this product? 4 and then x squared, right? Beautiful. Is that Blake that said that? All okay? And then, so what goes on the other side of the subtract sign? What else is left? 6. So that wasn't so bad. All right, let's look at this one. 2 more. Okay, first of all, what's 2 mean? 2, right? More. What's the word more mean? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Add. There you go. So 2 more. Then 4 times. What does 4 times mean? I'm going to put 4. You can do parentheses or you can do multiply, right? The cube of a number. So all that goes together. So I don't know the number. If I don't know the number, what do I put? X. And what does cube mean the exponent is? 3. There you go. Very good. Alright, we're going to do 3 together and then y'all do 4, okay? Alright, 3 times. So that's 3 multiply, right? Or 3 parentheses. Do you want to do parentheses on this one? Okay. The difference. So what goes inside my parentheses? A subtract sign. There you go. So what goes on the first part of the subtract sign? What goes right here? X or Y or Z or H or K or whatever you want to use. What goes on the other side? Hey. There you go. Alright, y'all try 4 real quick. Alright, not bad, guys. Here's the only thing we're doing wrong. So, y'all said 15 less and y'all put it in the front. 15 less means that it needs to go in the back like that. So switch the 15 to the back, okay? Guys, quotient's the only word we haven't done. So if we did product means to multiply, we did more was add, times was multiply. So what's the only one that quotient can mean? Divide. Now we don't write this as division anymore. We do like 4 divided by 9, right? We do fractions. So we'll do a fraction bar. A number cubed. Y'all did awesome. Y'all did x cubed over 4. Good job, guys. Alright, so now we're going to go backwards. We're going to go... Yes, ma'am. Hold on, guys. Alright, we'll do it in a minute. Alright, so we've got x squared minus 9, right? So how do we write x squared? Jacob? Well, look back up here. A number squared. There you go. And then you did a number squared what? Less than 9. That's a good way. And you said equals 72? Very good job. Very good. Yes, ma'am. Because it's behind it. Okay. There's more than one way that you could write these. You don't have to write the same thing. Like right here, I could say a number squared subtract 9. I could say the difference between 9 and a number squared. There's a lot of different ways that you could write this. So if this less than part throws you off, then write subtract 9 if you want to, okay? You can. There's more than one right answer. Yes, Jonathan?
With the number squared less than, wouldn't that put the square behind the number?
Okay, well then, let's do this then. Does that make it better? Focusing. Alright, what about 6? You got 5 and y. How do I write 5y? 5, no, not 5 and a number. What am I doing to that 5 and that y? You're multiplying, right? What, like? The product of 5 and a number y. You have the product of 5 and a number. Focus. Alright, and then you want to say subtract again, or do you want to say less than, okay, now let's look at this. So it says the product of 5 and a number. We've already clarified that number. So what we're going to say is we'll say subtract that number. That means, why? I don't know why it does like that. No. I know, I think so, but because I'm recording, I don't want to mess it up. It keeps going in and out. Let's do this. Let's zoom out a little bit and see if it does better. No, that's worse. Can y'all read that? Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. Alright, so the product of 5 and a number subtract that number squared. And then equals 12. Is that okay?
That's cubed.
Is it cubed? Oh, it is cubed. Thank you. Take a look at the paper instead of that fuzzy screen. Alright, y'all try 7 and 8 real quick. And y'all don't have any, your homework tonight is to make sure that 7 and 8 are finished, okay? That's your homework tonight. 7 and 8 are